हैप्पी बर्थडे नैशी। बहुत खुश रहो, बहुत स्वस्थ रहो, प्रसन्न रहो। भगवान तुम्हें सारी सुख दे और अपने बेटे के साथ, संदीप के साथ खूब स्वस्थ रहो, खुश रहो। मैं तो चाहता हूँ भगवान तुम्हें 10 साल पुरानी तुम्हारी जो स्टाइल थी वो लौटा दे। तब तुम बिल्कुल ही मस्त खिलंदड़ खूब खुश रहती थी और व्यस्त रहती थी। ईश्वर करे ऐसा ही हो। और मेरी इच्छा में तुम्हारी मम्मी की इच्छा भी शामिल है। सब कुछ तो है तुम्हारे पास, बस सिर्फ पुरानी स्टाइल लौटने की जरूरत है, वो तुम कर सकती हो। सारे गुण हैं तुम्हारे पास, मैंने सारे रूप देखे हैं और मैं चाहता हूँ कि 10 साल पुरानी उन्नैशी हो जाए और बिल्कुल खिलखिलाती हुई, सारे फन लविंग, शॉपिंग करने वाली, घूमने वाली। ईश्वर करे खूब खुश रहो। बस नॉटी एट 40 कहावत है, तुम वो हो जाओ। ठीक है, ओके।
प्यारी नैशी को जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। माँ भगवती की कृपा से 40वें जन्मदिन के उपलक्ष्य में मैं कुछ पंक्तियां कविता की पेश कर रहे हैं। मेरी छोटी सी बगिया की नाजुक कली, मेरी छोटी सी बगिया की नाजुक कली, जरा ले दुआ मिश्री की ओडरी, जरा ले दुआ मिश्री की ओडरी। हो जन्मदिन, हो जन्मदिन मुबारक तुम्हें, जन्मदिन मुबारक तुम्हें। मेरी गोदी में आए तो पहली दफा, मेरी गोदी में आए तो पहली दफा, मेरी धड़कन से मेरी वो धड़कन मिली, तो धड़कन से मेरी वो धड़कन मिली। मुझको ऐसा लगा जिंदगी मिल गई, मुझको ऐसा लगा जिंदगी मिल गई, बन गई सबसे प्यारी मेरी अली, बन गई सबसे प्यारी मेरी अली। जन्मदिन, जन्मदिन मुबारक है तुम्हें, जन्मदिन मुबारक है तुम्हें। आज का दिन खुशियों से भरा हो, ईश्वर तुम्हें सदा ही खुश व स्वस्थ रखें। नैशी मेरे दिल की धड़कन है, मेरी जिंदगी है, मेरी दुनिया है, मेरा साया है। नैशी बहुत ही क्रिएटिव, लविंग व चार्मिंग है। नैशी को अच्छा खाना, घूमना, गाना गाना बहुत ही पसंद है। तुम्हारी सादगी में वो जादू है कि तुम सभी के दिल को चुरा लेती हो। मम्मी पापा का आशीर्वाद सदा ही तुम्हारे साथ है। संसार की सारी खुशियां तुम्हें मिले, सदा खुश रहो। लव यू नैशी।
हाँ बहन जी, तो मेरे पास बोलने को बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कुछ होता नहीं है, लेकिन ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ योर 40th बर्थडे, इनफैक्ट मैं लास्ट वीक ही एक चीज़ सोच रहा था व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड कि 40th बर्थडे पे कुछ कुछ तो प्लान हो रहा है। तो मेरे दिमाग में एक पिक्चर आई, और वो पिक्चर क्या थी? वो थी लक्ष्मण झूला वाली पिक्चर। तो मैं उस समय सोच रहा था कि कितना टाइम हो गया कि एक वो फ़ोटो में एक वो छोटी सी लड़की स्काई ब्लू और वाइट कलर की स्ट्राइप वाली फ्रॉक पहने हुए डरी हुई खड़ी हुई है। मैं भी खैर बहुत बड़ा नहीं था उस टाइम पे, बट तब से अब तक का कितना टाइम हो गया। एक चीज़ है जो मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ, राइट, हम लोग कभी ये रियलाइज़ नहीं करते कि हम लोग भी ओल्ड हो रहे हैं। व्हेन यू सी पीपल अराउंड यू गेटिंग ओल्ड, तब जाके एक ये रियलाइजेशन हो रहा है कि नहीं, वही नहीं, हम लोग भी साथ साथ ओल्ड हो रहे हैं। बट या दैट्स द वे हाउ इट इज़ डिज़ाइन, हाउ इट इज़ सपोज टू बी। Anyway, so on your 40th birthday, मेरा सिर्फ एक ही विश रहेगा या एक ही ब्लेसिंग रहेगी. इट इज़ दैट के स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे हैप्पी. हेल्थ इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती है हम सब लोग यही रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि दैट इज़ द रियल वेल्थ. तो stay healthy, stay happy. Happy birthday once again. See you. Bye.
And she wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. You have come into my life as a sister-in-law, but over the years, you have truly become my sister. From meeting you in a very, very awkward setup at Redison to all the moments that have shaped us, I am so, so grateful for the bond we share. Your love, your strength, and the care that you give silently means more to me than you know. 40s look really beautiful on you inside out, so make the best of it. From my experience, I can say that 40s are like really, really liberating. So forget the fact that the world is judging you and will continue to do so. So just be yourself, enjoy yourself, and have fun. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Rashi. Bye.
Happy birthday, Bua. I wish you a wonderful year ahead. I hope your year is full of endless smiles, joy, and more happiness adding on to who you are. Thank you so much for all you've done for me. You're a great person. I love your personality. And I absolutely feel you rock. 6, 7, bye. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you so much. From today, I will be a good boy. Have a beautiful year. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. I will be a wonderful baby from now on. Have a wonderful year, Mama. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.
You, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. And though I'm getting very nostalgic, but I'll not bore everybody with my nostalgia trip. So maybe for some other time. But wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you all the happiness in this world, and hope to see you very soon.
Many happy returns of the day, Rashi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you and lots of love, with joy, good health, and your all dreams come true. Happy birthday, Nashi. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nancy. God bless you.
Love you.
Hello Nashidi, happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mausi ji. Happy birthday, Mausi ji.
Hello Nash, welcome to the 40s club. How are you so late though? Or maybe it's just me, because to me you have always come across someone more matured, more responsible, sharper, wiser. ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम्हारा हो चुका होगा 40. But anyway, I thought of using my usual singing template for this video message, and I had selected a song too, but then I remembered that you like my dancing more, so I'm going to send a separate video to you just as your gift. Please have a good laugh, enjoy that, and enjoy your day today. Have a blast. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nash. Have many more happy returns.
Hi Nash, happy birthday. This 40th birthday thing is really hardcore. Huh? All thanks to these husbands and brothers who are making this effort. Chalo, it gives me a chance to tell you that you are genuinely loved and I really miss you. And I hope that somehow we get to connect this year or probably next. And somehow one of these trips you finally decide to join us. Have a great day, enjoy yourself, and know that you're really loved and missed. Bye. See you.
Hey Nash, happy birthday. I wish this year brings a lot of good moments, good health and positivity in your life. Wish you the very best and hope we meet soon.
Hey Nash, welcome to the Fabulous 40s Club. I hope your special day brings you all that your heart desire and may you get lots of beautiful surprises. I'm so grateful for all the happy memories that we have shared and I hope to see you soon. Once again, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Have a great day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Nashi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nashi. Happy birthday to you. Happy 40th birthday, Nashi. वैसे भी मतलब कुछ खास बदलने वाला तो है नहीं तेरे में. 40 की हो, 25 की भी वैसी थी, 40 की भी वैसी रहेगी. But many happy returns of the day, Nashi. Do you wanna wish?
Happy birthday, Nashi. Welcome to your 40s.
Happy 40th birthday, Nashi. Wow, this feels unreal. Because in my memory, I'm still stuck in a timeline where we were roommates, figuring out accounts, what's debits and credit, eating those roadside parathas, or even pulling in money to gift people and whatnot. You know, the kind of memories we share is a true treasure. Nashi, you are one of the few people and I genuinely care about. So, with all my love and warmth, I wish you health and happiness and many more to come. Happy 40th birthday. And thanks, Sandeep sir, for bringing this video together.
Happy 40th, Nashi. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and enjoy your birthday.
Hey Nashi, happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी 40th. अब ये जो 40th वाला डिकेड आया है इसमें हैव लोड्स ऑफ फन. बहुत सारी पार्टी करते हैं all the parties that we missed out on our 20s, जो Long Island iced tea वाली थी, let's get that back again and live our lives. Enjoy your day.
Happy 40th birthday, Neshi. Wish you lots and lots of good health and have a very wonderful and special day today. Keep getting younger by the day and lots of patience to be with Balu. Bye.
बर्थडे नैशी, हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे। हमेशा खुश रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। आई एम श्योर बालन आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा यूनिक सा कुछ प्लान किया होगा। हैव अ ग्रेट वन विद फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और हमेशा खुश रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन नैशी, विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, happy 40th birthday. I'm sure Balan would have planned a great one, very unique birthday for you. See you good health, happiness, and peace always. See you around. Cheers.
Hi Nashi, happy birthday. Balan told me it's your 40th. I don't believe him. It cannot be your 40th. Happy birthday, enjoy your day and have fun. It's not your 40th.
हैप्पी बर्थडे नैशी, और आई होप बालन से आप यंग रहोगे और आई विश यू द बेस्ट ऑफ हेल्थ, बेस्ट ऑफ योर हैप्पीनेस, blessings to your son, and I hope you're having a good time. I hope your next decade is as good as your last one was. We're missing you here. Hope to see you guys sometime. Thank you.
Hi Neshi, wish you a very happy 40th birthday and many more to come.
हाय नैशी, आपको कांचीपुरम के कांची कामाक्षी टेम्पल से आपके बर्थडे पे बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। आपको, संदीप भैया को, पूरी फैमिली को बहुत बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन। व्यू देख लो आप।
Happy birthday, Neshi. Many happy returns of the day. Always stay healthy, happy, and blessed.
Happy birthday, Neshi.
Many happy returns of the day, Nashi Didi.
Happy birthday, Nashi Mommy. Happy birthday,
Have a great day.
Hi Naishi, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Naishi Sharma, long time no see. Wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sure that you are fit, healthy. It's been quite a while since we met. And I was, sometimes Avinash, Sujesh, and all other gang members we speak, and we remember you being a very reserved person, but very strong-headed also. I think Sandeep needs someone like you, because the comedy part of your life will be fulfilled by Sandeep anyways. So wish you the very best. Keep smiling, stay healthy. Hope to catch up soon. Bye-bye.
Happy 40th Naishi. To many more of these. हालांकि कुछ तो बोलना बनता है। नैशी से मैं पहली बार आइडिया मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी बैच में जब हम लोग रिक्रूट हुए थे, जस्ट आउट ऑफ कॉलेज, तब मिला। उस टाइम ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन हुआ नहीं, बट इवन इन दैट एब्सोल्यूट मैडनेस ऑफ close to 60 odd management trainees, you could make out that शी वॉज द काम वन. बाद में फिर मौका मिला एक साथ काम करने का आइडिया कर्नाटका में 2011 के आसपास. और यहाँ पे ये बोलना ज़रूरी है, थोड़ा सा टीम के बारे में बोलना ज़रूरी है टू रियली ड्राइव होम व्हाट नैशी वॉज. ये जो टीम थी इट वॉज द मार्केटिंग टीम, ब्रिलियंट पीपल, इनकैंडेसेंट रादर. लेकिन ये ब्रिलियंट होने के साथ साथ ये जो लोग थे ये तरल एवं ज्वलनशील दोनों थे. और जैसे पानी और सोडियम का रिएक्शन होता है, इनका भी होता रहता था. बस एक चिंगारी और ये फटते रहते थे. तो हमारे जो दूरदर्शी मार्केटिंग हेड थे उन्होंने बहुत स्ट्रेटेजिकली नैशी को एकदम सेंटर में रखा था ताकि आग काबू में रहे, और आग काबू में रही. हमारे एक बहुत परम मित्र हैं जो नैशी को हमेशा कहते थे नाइसी. बड़ा आदमी है अभी वो, बट दैट आई थिंक describes her better than anything else. The calm, the composed, and जब time आए तो she did not hold back. So those are the lasting memories. We had an amazing time, and I wish you all the very best for your 40th and to many more to come. On a side note, Sandeep, you might have seen a different side of her. That's totally fine. Part of the job description. मुझे जो दिखा मैंने वो बोल दिया भाई.
Hi Naisi, many happy returns of the day. I still remember our time at Idea. It used to be a lot of fun, and our team was the most amazing team. You, me, Avinash, boss, Ankush, all of us was too much fun. And for me, I still rejoice the moment. We all should catch up sometime, and I wish you the most amazing birthday to one of the most amazing colleague that I ever had. Wish you an amazing birthday, and yes, hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Nishi, wishing a very happy 40th birthday. Hope you are having a good time. Enjoy your day. Also, I think it's been ages since we met. You need to, cover up for not coming to my wedding. So let's catch up soon and have some party. I hope you have a fantastic year ahead. And 40 is a lot of fun, I believe. I'm also turning 40 in April. So following up soon on turning 40. In the meantime, enjoy your day. Lots and lots of best wishes and good health to you. Bye. Take care.
Naishi, happy birthday. About Naishi, I honestly don't know much about her. We spent a few days at Idea, but she made quite an impact. I'm a little scared of her. I thought she was always this quiet, sweet, angel-like person, and then I heard her scream at someone super senior, and ever since I have been scared to talk to her. But otherwise, I love you, Naishi. Take care. Bye. Have a nice year.
Many happy returns of the day, Naishi. Wishing you many more to come. I can only say one thing, that you've been the most calm guy in the team through the, work period that we have had an idea. So, very few times I have seen you, get upset with things. Maybe once when you were moving to Vodafone Idea, and maybe the time when somebody said that let's do an Imagine from on talk time offer of ₹10.
Hey Naishi, hope you're doing fine. Wish you a very happy birthday in this milestone year, and wish you a great decade ahead with a lot of happiness and good health. Happy birthday.
Hi Naishi, remember me? You were like my mentor, I don't know, some zillion years ago. Wishing you a very happy 40th. Well, the funny part was I was asking Balan, वो अभी तक 40 की नहीं हुई? But nonetheless, hope you have a fun-filled 40s and 50s and so on and so forth. You are always that nice, sweet Naishi, I'm sure. I hope you're having fun in your life along with, upholding the responsibilities of being a mother. All the best for the coming years. Have fun, have a great birthday. And Balan, like I promised you, I have sent this video.
Hi Nashi. Hi Nashi. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Welcome to the 40s. Yes. Welcome to getting old.
Hi Neshi. Happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s. Thank you for being the most.
Happy birthday, Naishi auntie. Congrats on your 40th birthday. May all the happiness come to you.
Thank you for being the most.
Hi auntie, happy birthday. Thank you so much for playing such an important role in my life and also being that one person whose house I can just come to and have funny yet important and deep conversations with. Thank you for being that one person that I can just relate to, and you're like a cool aunt that I can just borrow clothes from and like ask for any advice in general. You and Sandeep uncle are like so close to my heart, and you especially are someone who I love to share my things with. And honestly, it's been such a great ride with you, and I love the fact that the world just brought us as neighbors, because that just makes my life more better and more of an adventure.
Thank you for being the most.
Hey Neshi, many more happy returns of the day. Welcome to the 40s.
Yes, 40s awesome.
Welcome to the 40s again. It's your official strategic rebranding phase, also known as midlife crisis.
तो आपको और फिट होना है तो आपके पास 3 ऑप्शन है. ऑप्शन 1 मैराथन, ऑप्शन 2 बैडमिंटन, या ऑप्शन 3 लॉन्ग वॉक्स विद पूजा एंड संध्या फॉर अबाउट 20,000 स्टेप्स अ डे.
नैश, फाइनली जियो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ, क्या पता कल होना हो.
Hi Neshi, happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s. 40s is the new 20s. अगर नेशी को डिस्क्राइब करना हो तो देयर आर 2 नेशीज. नेशीज फॉर आउटसाइड पीपल एंड नेशीज फॉर आवर गेम चेंजर्स. रोस्ट क्वीन और नेशी का कमबैक या फिर जो भी हो, इट्स जस्ट टू गुड. एंड नेशी और मैं अंताक्षरी वी रूल. यस नेशी, लेट्स रॉक अंताक्षरी एंड दमशराट्स. And thank you for being one of the most amazing human being I've ever come across. 40s is the new 20s. 40s लगेगा ना हम जवान हैं और लगेगा ना हम इतने भी तो बूढ़े नहीं हैं. And it's a fun place to be. But that 40s is a new age to be. मस्त लगेगा कि आप समझ में नहीं आएगा कि आप बूढ़े हो रहे हो या आप जवान हो. सो 40s हम लोग इन बिटवीन में हैं. अगर नेशी को डिस्क्राइब करना हो, शी इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आई हैव कम अक्रॉस. और काम, ऑब्जर्वेंट, लाइफ ऑफ द पार्टी. शी इज़ ऑब्जर्वेंट, शी इज़ काम, शी नोज हाउ टू रोस्ट, and she's the life of the party, and one of the amazing human being. And thank you for being the most. Thank you for being such a good friend, and thank you so much for always making my kids welcoming them.
Hi Naishi, many happy returns of the day. You're entering 40, but you do not look like 40 at all. Believe me, you do not look like 40 at all. And this, I hope this your cuteness, innocence remains throughout, even throughout your life. Even after 10 years, I am sure you'll look same. You are very caring, thoughtful, and you are always there to defend us from the Shararati Sandeep. Thank you so much. You're the only one Sandeep is scared of. So thank you for being there all the time for us. You always appreciate small things about us, whatever we do, and it does make us. It makes our day. It makes that evening, and it makes me very happy. This very small things, but it matters. Thank you. Just stay as amazing you are. Happy birthday.
Hi Naishi Didi, I mean Naishi Auntie. I can't believe you're 40 already. Like, I've known you for like how many years now? I don't know, but it's like 11 almost. And like, see, when I first met you, I kept calling you Naishi Didi, Naishi. I actually called you Nancy Didi, and I did not know your name was Naishi until like when I was in 8th grade or 9th grade, and Numa told me it's Naishi, not Nancy, or yeah, and I was just like, oh. But then like, I always kept calling you Didi because like, you're like that to me, and then like, you also don't look like an auntie. I was like, wait, in no way you're an auntie. You looked 16 when I met you first actually. So I think like, that's why I kept calling you Didi. And then like, whenever Sandeep uncle says something ulta pulta, or like something that's like he's insulting or bullying me, you're like the only one who actually defends me. So thank you so much for that. And like, I hope you have an amazing birthday and an amazing year ahead. I hope all your dreams and wishes come true. Happy birthday.
Hi Naishi, happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday Naishi.
Happy birthday, Naishi.
Hi Naishi, happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s. मस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, मुस्कुराती रहो, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को ऐसे एक्टिव रखो और संदीप को चमकाती रहो. बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
हैप्पी बर्थडे नैशी, वेलकम टू 40s. अब 40s में आ गए तो आपका मैच्योरिटी लेवल थोड़ा बढ़ना पड़ेगा, थोड़ी सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ेंगी. ओके, कुछ नहीं, ज़्यादा कुछ आपको करना नहीं है. सी नाउ, अब आपको जो भी विशेस करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे, तो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट टेलिंग इट्स न्यू मी नाउ. ओके, एज इज़ जस्ट नंबर्स. तो आई एम ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू. ये सब चीज़ें थोड़ा आपको बोलना है, ठीक है. आपको करना कुछ नहीं, पर बोलना ये सब चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है. और मोटिवेटेड रखना है लोगों को बोलने के. अब आप लोग बोलेंगे कि 40s आ गए हैं, तो यू हैव स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू जिम. आई हैव स्टार्टेड जॉइनिंग Zumba classes. I am starting going to this walking. तो ये सब बोलना है कि to keep myself body fit, थोड़ी दुबली रखूँगी, ये सब रखूँगी. तो ठीक है, ये सब आप बोलो, ठीक. करना कुछ नहीं है, घर पे बैठ कर बढ़िया अपना नेटफ्लिक्स देखिए, कुछ नहीं करना है, ठीक है. और हाँ, बाकी एज बढ़ रही है तो आँखों में झुर्रियाँ आएंगी, राइट. तो अच्छा दिखने के लिए आपको यू हैव टू स्टार्ट वेयरिंग गॉगल. And whenever you go for parties, try to wear that goggle. And whenever someone is clicking photos, remember goggle should be there. बाल थोड़े हमारे बिखरा लेना, तो you will start looking young. And there are a lot of elita gang which goes goggle party, right. तो एक दो कॉन्टेक्ट आपको पता ही है, आपके अगल बगल में कहीं होंगे तो आप उनसे पूछ लेना, बता देंगे. तो पार्टीज आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. एंड न्यू वाइब है, यू कैन से या इट्स अ न्यू वाइब. एंड बाकी और क्या कर सकते हैं, या कीप एंजॉइंग. पार्टीज़ के पहले हाँ, कहीं गैदरिंग किसी के यहाँ जाना है तो यू कैन गो फॉर 2 to 3 hour मेकअप्स, डू ऑल योर मेडिक्योर पेडिक्योर जो भी है, तो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग. एक और बात कि मेक श्योर कि आपके बाल काले रहें. ओके, एंड यू स्टार्ट कमेंटिंग कि ओह माय हेयर्स आर ऑलवेज ब्लैक. ओके, इट्स नेचुरल. भले आप अंदर से कितने भी जाके हर एक हफ्ते में आप भले कलर करिए, बट ये सब चीज़ें करिए. दिस विल मोटिवेट अदर्स कि वाह नैशी देखो कितना फिट एंड फाइन लग रही है. तो ये सब चीज़ें आप करो तो थोड़ा मेंटेन रहेगा, ठीक है. बाकी कोई घबराने की बात नहीं है, टेंशन की बात नहीं है. हम लोग हैं, बाकी जितने भी लोग आप मिलेंगे सब 40s के हैं. भले बोलेंगे कि हम 40s के हैं, तो कोई टेंशन नहीं होगा, ये अभी गुजर जाएगा. ओके, बाय बाय, नो प्रॉब्लम. हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಡಿಯರ್ ನೈಶಿ. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನೌ ದಟ್ ಯು ಟರ್ನ್ 40, ಗೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಬಯೋಪಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ.
Hi Naishi, this song is dedicated to you on your 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Naishi.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Naishi. Have a wonderful, wonderful time and a lovely next 40 years with your loved ones.
Happy birthday, big milestone.
Stay blessed. Bana Chotu, happy birthday, bud.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Bye.
Hi Naishi, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you have fun. And remember, 40 is the new 20, so enjoy your youth.
Happy birthday, Naishi.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Naishi. Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Hi Naishi, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. You must be wondering who I am. I'm Ashwati. I'm an old friend, childhood friend of Balu. We recently reconnected and I happened to see a picture of yours and I told him how gorgeous you look. And he said it would be a good opportunity for me to then say that to yourself directly, wishing you on your birthday. So here I am, wishing you a very happy 40th. I hope this decade brings you a lot of happiness, good health, joy, everything that you've wished for.